Yagni benta jonga kubor la OneRaj P daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ganegram Hospital kabalong hospital kabahedu apo ka jala Meghalaya. Hadu mentakasi khalai tarik undaitung arajar arpo kadan khalai ngot kibalayo ya jingpang COVID kat kendai. Director jang Ganegram Dr. P Bhattacharya habekan bekla patai kubor oleh tu bakini ki khalai ngot ki kentubru ya ki arngot kibalayo thamai mentakasni.
We have a total of 13 patients in Negrim.
Of the total cases that we have, the high-risk cases or high-risk contacts as we call them are 111 total, and low-risk contacts are 121. Okay? 21. So regarding the high-risk contacts, the contact has happened at different period of time. So one batch of testing has been carried out. So far we have 53 people for whom we have sampled. The swab we have done, of which 30 people we have done the sampling, and the rest sampling has been done today, so that report is not available with me. Out of the 30, 24 contacts are negative and 6 contacts are positive. One of them has travelled from Kolkata. The other person, who's again a patient, has travelled all the way from North Tripura. Mind you, these two cases, their primary problem was not COVID, but they have come with some other unrelated problem. One is a case of gallbladder stone, and the other patient is actually a case of chronic pancreatitis. After the protocol that we have in the hospital today, anybody with an interstate travel history comes, we run a COVID test before they let them into the general wards. So at that point, we have found that these two patients are actually positive for COVID. Okay. Then the next 6 patients which we have, these 6 patients are actually the contacts of an index patient who's from BSF. On 4th he was admitted to a ward, and on 9th we found him to be having symptoms. On that day we have diagnosed that this gentleman is actually a COVID case. We have got the report, and after that we have run the contact tracing and what we call as evaluation of the exposure risk, and the ones who were high risk. I mentioned 24 people came negative and 6 people came positive. So these 6 pertain to that. Then the next 5 are those cases who have got detected. Of the 5 cases, 4 were detected because of the screening that we do. Okay, and this screening that was done was basically for 4, and 1 patient, that is a sister from Negrim's, one of our healthcare workers, she actually was symptomatic, and because of her symptoms we have tested and we have found her to be positive. So that is a breakup. So 2 with interstate travel history, 6 who are actually contacts of one of the patients who was admitted to ortho, and 5 cases who were detected for various reasons, of which 1 actually had symptoms of COVID, and therefore we have tested, and other 4 were basically a screening test.
Director oleh tu benda pering ki wepat ki badan jengma balak banyo ia kini ke jengpang nani kita ki high risk contact kidon sispa kadwingut bat ki low risk contact lani kita ki badan jengma satya bangat dia kini ke jengpang kidon baro sispa arfu wingut haba batai banya ia ke jenglong jengman jangan ke hospital director oleh tu banda pering kini ki sispa kadwingut na kaliang jong ke bon Negrim kada bantas kemasan pesan ngut bat kidang apat ia ke sampel jeng ki wepat ki barangsa.
COVID is a scenario where nobody is zero risk. You go to the market, you buy vegetables, you buy fish, you are a low risk. When we talk of low risk in the hospital context, when a contact occurs, suppose here is one patient, I have come, kept something over here and gone away. Now I have not actually picked up an infection, but there is a risk, however remote. But you do not know whether the next person standing to you is COVID or not. So the low risk is not quarantined. Otherwise the whole hospital would be in quarantine. All of us are in the hospital. So low risk here does not mean the person has a serious chance of picking up infection. All of us in this hall are low risk. So let us say that low risk is not at risk. quarantine is given for every person in our institute who is at risk.
Susu ura pensya ye ki pai ba bagani ka hospital kadang trekam hadu menta ye ki tu ki ward ki bamran setia ki jengma khamtam akabale ye ga dialysis hakaba kadang trekam nadu ka sito ding ka sisa jan bat menta ka sengiru susu kebor punya jagane krims kilethu banda ka menta kitu kinong trei badana ka virus lapha iki bakin song quarantine kadba na kamta kilores pat lasha iki bakin trei bar bakin ipha shal jong ki kisam amala tikna bakini kinmyo asatia ya kene ka jungpang.
I can tell you that we never stopped accepting dialysis patients because they are a serious at-risk group whom if we do not dialyze, they will end up into respiratory failure and go to ICU. And ICU means they would mostly come to us. So we have not stopped dialysis at any point of time. So we would like you to tell the public at large that they should not go by hearsay. Dialysis is continuing and they are welcome.